Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, enjoying my beautiful rainforest out here at my deck in my home. And I want to talk to you about branding yourself, how important it is. And so we're going to go over some things that are really help you understand the importance of branding yourself, building your brand, okay? So the first reason why you want to build your brand and not a company's brand is, companies, a lot of people do that. They ABC. We'll just call the company name ABC. So we're not naming really any. And people go to your stuff and there will be your company name, right? All about your company, all about all of that. And, it's not good because companies come and go. So if you do a total brand about the company, and let's say then a year later they're gone, then what? You got to start all over again. You have nothing. You're at ground zero and worse, because of that. And you just don't want to go there. You don't want to brand your company. And people join people, so it's important. They connect with you, not a company name, because just the other couple weeks ago somebody we knew was in a company that would just disappeared, and so what if they had branded them? What if they had done all that work and all that put together to brand that company, and then they're gone? So that's really important, and that is one reason you brand yourself, because people join people. Let's say you go to somebody's information, right? And let's say they're a granny and they have 7 grandkids and they live on an island in Alaska. And they're just like, oh my goodness. And there's my birds, my beautiful rainforest birds. And you do that. And so a person learns that about you, and it's interesting. I love doing that. But if you just are looking at a business name, what does that do for you? Does it inspire you? Does it make you smile? No, not really. It's people. And I love learning about people, where they live, and seeing photos of places out their door, where they live, their home, places they go around where they live. It's exciting. It's fun. I connect that way. That's how we connect. And it's important to connect with people, not have a brand. So that is another very important reason. You do not brand a company, you brand yourself. It's so vital. And when you brand yourself, people connect faster when it's people. It really happens. And there's more value involved because they learn about your life. And it connects you. And it gives people value because they learn stuff they never knew before, which is so important, right? It's very important that you do that. And like with my Facebook page, I brand me. I don't brand anything else. I brand myself. And that is, I have people chasing me to join me. Chasing me. I don't have to chase anyone because of the way I set it up. So that is just key. I never have to think about, well, let me just send my link out to all these people here that have written me on Messenger or something. And we live where the airplanes fly. Crazy. Have an airport here in town. Very neat. So, who wants to do that? You gotta brand you, because I think I lost my train of thought, the airplane going on. But it does help people connect with you, and that is the vital part. Very important that people connect. Increases your value, keeps you flexible, gives you power. It really does. Because I've got friends and people that have so many interesting lives, and I just love connecting. People that have grandkids. I have 7 grandkids. So when I see a post with people being there with their kids or their grandkids, it draws me in, because that connects me. You know, because that's my experience, and I love and appreciate and am thankful for my 7 grandkids. And so it's very important. If you brand yourself, all these things help you. And not only that, you really stand out from the crowd when you do that, because everybody else is doing it the other way around, to be honest. And they're chasing people where I don't chase people. They chase me. In fact, this morning I had a message, somebody wanted my site. It's just that simple. It happens that way because they get to know you, and the way you set it up and the way you brand yourself is so important, because then people like that. They connect with you, and that's just vital and it's very important to brand yourself. So I hope you understand what I'm saying, that branding yourself not only attracts your people, you can always attract people. You never have to change it. If a company goes down, it doesn't matter. Nobody knows what company. It's not about a company. It's about you. It's about what you can share, the value you can give, and what you've learned, and how you can help people. That's what it's about. So this very important topic, branding yourself. That's why I want to talk about that today, on a beautiful day in a rainforest here. I'm really blessed and thankful for that. Next month I go to Florida, so it'll be a total change up, which is incredible too. I'm blessed because being an entrepreneur, I can take up and go to Florida for a month, hang out with my mom because she's having her 90th birthday, and enjoy every bit of that, because I am an entrepreneur and I just wanted to connect. I really appreciate you getting on today and watching my video, because I really wanted to connect with you and tell people how important it is for your business to brand yourself. Very important. And I'm sure you're seeing this on my YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is go to my Facebook page so you can see how I'm branding myself. It kind of give you an example of what I'm doing, because I don't chase anybody. And that's really important too. And if you want that, you know, go check it out. Go see what I've got going on, because it really will help you jumpstart your business, learning how to do that and being able to be you. Let people be attracted to you. Don't worry about, you know, just be you. That I love that about being able to work from home. I'm me. I'm not trying to be anybody else but me. And people connect to people, and it's a lot of fun, and it's the best way to do business online and connect with people and be you, you know, and help people. And I love that, and I really appreciate you getting on my video and being part and listening. And just go to my channel and hit the bell so you can be sure and catch my next video, and go to my Facebook page. I'll have it in the description. See what I mean? And thanks for joining me today, and you have a great week, and bye from Alaska.